What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to find the password for your Wi-Fi network using a Windows PC. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. First, open up your command prompt application by searching for command prompt or CMD in your start menu search. Right-click the command prompt application and select Run as Administrator. With command prompt now open, use the command netsh wlan show profiles. This command will show a list of all the Wi-Fi networks your computer has previously connected to. Spot the name of the Wi-Fi network you're seeking the password for from this list. Next, use the command netsh wlan show profile name equals network name key equals clear. Replace network name with the actual name of the Wi-Fi network you found in the previous step. After running this command, you will see a lot of information about the Wi-Fi network. Look for the key content field in the results. The password for the Wi-Fi network will be displayed next to key content. And that's it. You have successfully retrieved the Wi-Fi password for a previously connected network on your Windows 11 PC using command prompt. This can be particularly useful if you need to connect another device to the same Wi-Fi network but you don't remember the password. These steps and more information will be available in my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.